Changing the phone number on your Netflix account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Update phone number. In the account settings, look for the membership and billing section. Here, you will find the option to update your phone number. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Input your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any errors before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, click the Save button to confirm the changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to ensure the number is correct. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on your Netflix account will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for assistance.